If you work in Maya, you probably use Smooth Preview a lot. To Smooth Preview, you already know you have your object selected and you go to 1 and you're getting your unsubdivided like geometry. But if you want to view it as smooth, you would just select it all and go to 3. And then you're viewing a smoothed object in your viewport, which is great when you want to optimize. You want to render out smooth, but you want to optimize and have as few polys as possible. So that's great in Maya, but what about if you want to do it in Blender? Well, Blender is just slightly different. I have my character. He's not textured yet, but I'll make another video texturing him in Blender. But for now, let's just do the smooth preview. So if I want a similar effect in Blender, all you have to do is select your whole object. If you want the whole thing, you could select it piece by piece, if not. And you just do Control 1, will smooth it to 1 level. Then you could do Control 2, smooth it a little bit more, Control 3, and so on and so on. You get smoother and smoother of a preview. And if you want it back to its original state, you just go Control 0. And that one, just for some reason, didn't work. Control 0, there we are. Okay, let's say Control 0. There we go. Okay, so that's how we do smooth preview in Blender. Slightly different from Maya. One thing, though, I just wanted to touch on is if I do this, let's just smooth the skin. I Control 3'd it, so we're there. I noticed that if I go into edit mode, I'm getting these like sharp edges, which are defined mainly by like these really bright blue lines that are hard to, like, it's hard to look at. And I wanted it to be those black lines that are what you generally see when you're looking at an object in Blender. And I was like, how do I get those black lines back instead of these highlighted blue lines? Well, it's very easy. Just, you're going to go to A to select all of them. Right click. And then you're going to clear sharp. These are sharp edges. We don't want them sharp. Clear sharp. And then now if we unselect, we have our black lines to see our geometry. So you can do anything. You can do an edge loop, add in an edge loop if you want. Or not. And that's it. You've got your smooth preview. You've got your not so sharp edges. So keep following me for more stuff in Blender. I'm moving from Maya to Blender and back and forth. So I'll be doing a lot of basic Blender videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.